All right, let's focus on the questions and answers. And we're going to head to North India, NCR. We'll keep that in mind. And Amit Anand is on the phone line. Amit, hi. Thanks very much for joining in. Go ahead.
Hi, Manisha.
Hi.
I'm a regular fan of your show with Sameer. Yeah, and congratulate you on a successful year.
Thank you so much.
I had forwarded a mail. I hope you got my mail.
Yes, we have. We've got some details. But if you quickly would like to summarize what is it that we can help you with, that will be helpful.
Yeah, actually, you see, I'm invested in two properties in Noida. One of them is Cosmos, JP Cosmos, and the other is Prateek Wisteria, Sector 77.
All right.
What I'm looking from you both are basically that, I want to liquidate one of the properties, and they are both nearing possession in about 12 months to 18 months.
Okay.
So my basic question is like, which one to sell earlier and retain which one for possession? I want to stay invested in real estate, but I can either sell both and then buy another one. So it's a little topsy-turvy. I'm seeing there's a little bit of a slowdown happening, and in the next 12 to 15 months, a lot of units will get ready. So is it the right time to sell, or I should wait for possession?
Absolutely, Amit. In fact, I think you've been watching the show very keenly because he's picked up a lot of key points that yes, we are staring at a bit of a slowdown and an oversupply situation in Noida. Both of his properties are in that area. Which one should he sell and which one should he keep? And the timing of the sale, I think, and the repurchase is very important, Sameer.
Yeah, so first of all, yes, you're absolutely right. There is a slowdown, but that doesn't mean that, Noida is going to witness a price depreciation, because throughout the last 3-4 months, we've been saying that Noida is a market which is going to see a lot of new units coming into the market, but it is also a market where the prices are quite low, affordable compared to the location. So we don't witness too much of a price depreciation, first of all. Amongst the two projects that you own, we would recommend you sell JP Cosmos and hold on to Prateek Wisteria, because the location of Prateek Wisteria is far better than JP Cosmos. Also, JP Cosmos has a large number of supply coming up, so there may be a little bit of a more project delay. Also, lastly, that if you look at the price appreciation of both the projects, Prateek Wisteria has done much better than the other project. Keeping in mind your solution is what we are referring to. Coming back to what you should buy, after selling one project, I'll recommend two options. Your budget was 35 to 40 lakhs, which is not a very high budget for Noida on the expressway. However, we've been able to find one or two options for you, which we are happy to share with you. I'll come to the key data points of the Noida expressway first. So there are 54 projects in Noida expressway, Belt 2, as we call it, a stretch 2, starting with sector 93 going up to 143B. 43,011 units is the total supply, 16 months is the inventory overhang, and the weighted average price has crept up to 4,573 rupees a square feet. We classify this as the mid segment, and the price appreciation trends over here depict about 46% price appreciation over the last 2.5 years, translating to an 18.5% on an annualized basis. Between the two, as I mentioned, stay on with Wisteria. For our other viewers, we'll share the basic details of Wisteria. By Prateek Group, Sector 77, 5,400 rupees a square feet is the price. 2014 is the completion year, and the projects available from the resale market. On Cosmos, for your recommendation, it's a sell. Right now, between the two, 4,600 rupees is the price of the project, and again getting ready in 2014. Recommendations, once you sell, are Karnam Greens by SIKKA Group, Sector 143B, 4,500 rupees a square feet is the price. 2015 is the completion year. Again, from the resale market, this project will cost you, this apartment will cost you 37,80,000, so within your price budget. And lastly, Lotus Zinc by the 3C Company, Sector 168, 5,000 rupees a square feet. 2015 is the completion year, and available from the resale market, this will add up to 45,75,000 right in your budget.
All right, so from what I can hear from Sameer, it's a good time to actually switch properties. sell maybe and then tend to buy a little bit later, but then there are these two properties that we'd like you to see and then pick out one of them. There's Karnam Greens by SIKKA Group, there's Lotus Zing, the 3C company, and Samir, it must be music to the ears of a lot of people who've been very worried to think that prices of property will drop. What you're saying is that prices of property in affordable markets are not likely to drop. The rise from here on is going to be muted, so be prepared. If you're an investor looking for a quick turnaround, then you have to be very, very cautious. All right, Pulkit Khanna on the phone line. And Pulkit, you send us a really nice mail saying that you usually have fights with your wife to watch our show. I'm feeling so good about that.
Yeah, hi Samir and Manisha.